Last video I showed you what my AI Chief of Staff does every morning. Today I'll show you exactly how I built it and why it took less than 20 minutes to get my first result. The whole setup runs on three things: Claude, the intelligence; NanoClaw, the framework that gives it a home; and Telegram, where I talk to it. That's it. Nothing else. NanoClaw is open source. It runs your AI agent in its own secure container, isolated, safe, and fully under your control. What makes it different is how you configure it, not code, plain English. You write a file called CLAUDE.md and just tell it who it is, what you need, how you work. It supports Telegram, WhatsApp, Slack, Discord, whatever platform fits your life. I chose Telegram for one reason: speed of testing. No extra setup, instant delivery, I can message it from anywhere. When I'm testing a new workflow, I get feedback in seconds. Once it's solid, you can move it to any other platform. Telegram is just the fastest way to start. Claude is the brain behind everything. You'll need a Claude Pro subscription. That's what powers the intelligence. NanoClaw gives Claude a body, memory, and the ability to take real action. Without Claude, it's an empty container. With it, it becomes something that actually thinks, remembers, and gets things done. One thing that makes this practical is where it runs. I host it on a VPS, a virtual private server. That means it's always on, always available, running 24/7 without me touching it. My agent wakes up every morning, sends my briefing, and handles tasks whether my laptop is open or not. That's the difference between a tool and a system. The setup itself is straightforward. Fork the NanoClaw repo on GitHub. Open it in Claude Code and run the setup command. It handles everything. Connect your Telegram bot, then write your CLAUDE.md in plain English. Tell it your name, your projects, what you want every morning. Run it. My first working version was live in under 20 minutes. The part most people get wrong is the CLAUDE.md. That's where the real usefulness comes from. Next video, I'll show you how to make your agent understand you and how versatile it can really get. Subscribe so you don't miss it.